Good morning, sir. Myself Manisha. Now I am studying BTech first year in CSC department in SRIT College. Now today's my topic is preparation, properties and applications of Bakelite. Coming to overall outline presentation. Introduction to Bakelite, preparation of Bakelite, chemical structures, thermal properties, electrical properties, and applications in industry, applications in consumer goods, environmental impact, and conclusion. Coming to introduction to Bakelite, Bakelite is a type of synthetic thermosetting plastic. It was one of the first synthetic resins ever created. Invented in 1907 by Leo Baekeland, Bakelite is known for its durability, heat resistance, and electrical insulating properties. Coming to preparation of Bakelite, Bakelite is prepared through the polymerization of phenol and formaldehyde. The reaction is categorized by either an acid or a base, leading to the formation of the thermosetting polymer. The mixture is curved under heat and pressure to develop its final hot structure. And coming to chemical structure, Bakelite is a phenol formaldehyde resin that exhibits a cross-linked structure. This cross-linking is responsible for its high thermal stability and rigidity. The chemical structure contributes to Bakelite's resistance to solvent and aging. And coming to properties, first one is physical properties. Bakelite is characterized by its hardness and resistance to wear. It has a high tensile strength and it's a poor conductor of electricity. The material is also resistant to chemicals, making it ideal for various applications. This is the chemical structure of Bakelite. And coming to thermal properties, Bakelite can withstand temperatures up to 200 degrees Kelvin without deforming. Its thermosetting nature means it does not melt upon heating, making it sustainable for high temperature applications. The low thermal conductivity of Bakelite adds to its utility in heat resistance applications. And coming to electrical properties, Bakelite is an excellent electrical insulator, which makes it ideal for electrical components. Its low dielectrical constant allows it to be used in capacitors and circuit boards. The material sustainability under electrical stress ensures safety in various applications. And coming to applications in industry, Bakelite is widely used in the automotive industry for making parts like distributors, distributor caps, and insulators. It is also employed in the manufacture of household items such as kitchenwares and electrical appliances. The material's versatility allows it to be used in the production of adhesives, paints, and coatings. Coming to applications in consumer goods, Bakelite is commonly found in jewelry, buttons, and decorative items due to its aesthetic appeal. It is used in the production of various consumer productions, including combs and radio castings. The ability to mold Bakelite into intricate shapes enhances its use in the design and fashion. Coming to environmental effect, Bakelite is a non-degradable which raises concerns regarding waste management and environmental pollution. Recycling Bakelite is challenging due to its thermosetting nature, which limits repurposing options. Efforts are underway to develop more sustainable alternatives to Bakelite while maintaining similar properties. And coming to conclusion, Bakelite remains an important material in various industries due to its unique properties. Ongoing research aims to enhance its applications and address environmental changes. Understanding Bakelite's preparation and properties can lead to innovative uses the futures. And waste waste segregation. Recyclable waste, kitchen waste, and hazardous waste. Recycled waste are cans, bags, bottles, and so on. Kitchen waste are peels, vegetables, leftover foods, and hazardous waste are electronic waste, paints, and come and thank you. Presentation by Manisha in Computer Science Engineering Department.